autoplay videos on custom designed registration pages for webinar ignition webinars. Yeah, so we give a tutorial how to do it. It's autoplaying. That's an mp4 file, self-hosted or hosted by somebody else. And that's a YouTube video. That's an image you can also use when the registration is there. And that's an mp4 file, but there are no controls. So that's not so good solution. You can also use a GIF animation, but it's more, the file size is bigger and you don't have a chance for audio. Okay, why this is autoplaying? Because we are muted this. Okay, so this is a shortcode from Webinar Ignition, from the free plugin where you can register for an evergreen webinar. And you can adjust this shortcode inside like a Gutenberg editor, like we did it at the moment. So Gutenberg editor doing better and better. Just created a group. Inside the group 2 columns. One with shortcode, one with the video. That's just a video file uploaded to my server. And here we can do autoplay, and it's only working or autoplaying when it's muted. And if it is muted, we need the playback controls to unmute it. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is this wonderful code where we added autoplay 1, mute 1, and then we have the loop, and the loop needs a playlist. So it has a loop and a playlist and some other stuff. And autoplay needs to be here, and then it's working. So as told before, preview often will show also with the audio, but it never will show in incognito mode. And autoplay and audio in incognito mode. So that's the mp4 file, a suggestion of Google how to play it. Yeah, but the problem is there's no controls and you can't start it. Okay, so that's very, very good. And I suggest you to do a custom page like the WordPress way. You have your style and then just integrate the registration shortcode and have the videos autoplaying. Okay, so you can decide if you want to have the video autoplaying or not. So if you don't want it, just do here 0 and then you can mute 0. So they will then just have the play button and yeah. The polls or other plugins showing in this nice, and so you can decide between these 2 options, mute and autoplay, but then you have like 15 seconds or 5 to 10 seconds for them to unmute. They need an action, or you just do it with the button. Okay, have fun and much webinar success, much as possible.